If you're someone like me that's been struggling with fatigue and lack of concentration and clear mental clarity, you may be suffering a case of insulin resistance. So what is insulin resistance? It's a question of having sugar, which we all generally burn sugar as the main source of fuel, burning sugar, but your insulin struggles to take the sugar and put it into the cells properly. You're probably confused to why you're not as efficient at work in terms of energy and productivity. You may be insulin resistant. Sugar is a big leading cause in terms of diabetes, in terms of health problems, heart problems, inflammation in the body. Unfortunately, there's a lot of foods that has high in sugar or high in carbs that translates into carb issues and insulin resistance. In order to break insulin resistance, you could have a low carbohydrate diet, like a ketogenic diet, will help break the mold of using sugar as a main source of fuel and use ketones as a main source of fuel. But I know that, like myself, love sugar. I want to be able to have sugar still. The thing is, we can have the ability to burn ketones, but also burn sugar, not just sugar. So a ketogenic diet offers ketones as an alternative source of fuel, where you're essentially burning fat for energy instead of sugar. How it happens is the liver produces ketones, and the ketones is taken to the mitochondrial cell to then use ATP. It's an alternative source of fuel, and it's proven to be healthier than glucose. The main mission that we should all strive is to still have sugar, but use ketones as well, and have the metabolic flexibility to switch between the two sources of fuel. A lot of diabetes that's formed is purely with high sugar. There has been no history of diabetes as of yet because of ketones. You can get ketoacidosis, which is a high level of ketones. That's dangerous, but that'll be in another video, and that's not relevant for nutritional ketogenic diets. Eating high saturated fats, or eating just fats in general, is actually good for us, as opposed to what we've been told about saturated fats. I'll make another video about saturated fats in the future. But ketogenic diet helps to keep the insulin low. When you have low insulin, you basically starve away any diseases. All diseases and inflammation is a result of high insulin and the inability to transport sugar to the cells. But when we turn fat for our main source of fuel, we can have more energy, less fatigue, more mental clarity, and have consistent energy without the slump. I am a member that's recently done a ketogenic diet, and it's seen incredible results knowing that I can eat fat for fuel with confidence, not worrying about the fat clogging up my arteries or anything of the like. I'll make a video about the misleading information out there about fat clogging up the arteries. Fat is really good for our brains. It's really good for our hormones. It's good for our brain. Our brain is made up of 60% saturated fat. This is beta hydroxybutyrate, which is a type of ketone that is proven to be super beneficial for our brains and treat diseases like epilepsy, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease. If you're someone that's like me and wanting to find a solution to mental clarity and more productivity, a ketogenic diet might be for you. The goal, even if it's not a ketogenic diet, just reducing your carb, your sugar, so that you have insulin sensitivity and you can beat the insulin resistance, you will be on track to living a better life and a better career and a better overall well-being. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll produce more videos about ketogenic diets or health-related videos. Thank you.